Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 15th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar yen, I was talking this morning about how we may get a much bigger move to the upside, like a much bigger pullback, but instead of doing that, it just made another lower high, another lower high. Like I said, this up here is very likely the end of a pullback on like the 4-hour daily time frame. If it is the end of a pullback, then we likely will just continue to get lower lows, lower highs, and maybe even get some very impulsive movements to the downside. So unless the higher time frames, like the 4-hour daily time frame, tell us otherwise, I would definitely recommend doing nothing but holding on to shorts, possibly looking for more shorts at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.